is the RC emergency truck. Let's see what's inside. Inside it comes with bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, 2 bag 3s actually. Also bag 2, another bag 2. The instructions. Looks like it also comes with some stickers. And a remote control.
Hey guys, today I bring you guys the RC emergency truck. Oh my god, this was an easy build. Very awesome. It has the fire hose here. It has all these stickers and details. Look at this little door. Look at how awesome that is. The truck lights, the little side mirrors. Look at these. The wheels, oh my, they feel very good. Very sturdy. The doors open up and you can see inside. Let me see. Oh, look at this. We open up the other door so you can see through. Look at the back door. It opens up too. Nice. So the kids can play with their little toys in here. Look at this. Look at it, shows you all the stuff a truck would have in it. Nice build. And this remote control is perfect for your hands to go ahead and maneuver it. The truck takes 3 AAA batteries. The controller itself takes 2 AAA batteries. So if you're gifting it as a gift, hey, include those batteries because the kids will want to build it and right away play with it.